So I already downloaded the Python. So I checked the Python version. Then I already I already I already downloaded also the PIP. Then I checked the version. Then I created a virtual environment. Then I activate it. Then I installed a Django. Um, then I checked the version of the Django. Then next is I created a project which is the student attendance system. Then the student system folder, I put I put it in the Django environment, which is here. Then uh, I changed the directory. Then run the server. Then I created a app, which is the students. Then in the settings dot py, uh, dot py, I add the app that I created in the installed apps. Then in the models, uh, I created a model in the models.py, and I have a two variables, which is the first name and the last name. Then in the command, then I created a table in the database. Then I open the Python shell. Then here, I insert a I insert I insert a data, which is student's first name and last name. Then here, the student first name and the last name. I inserted a three more data. Then here the output. First ID 1, first name Jambi. ID 2, first name Princess.